Mighty God of Daniel, Jesus, come here. How long me depend this alive? You come if you come off long time. When the woman see me go, me see Elliot party and me go freestyle and say, me a the baddest girl ever come around. She stopped talking to me. She stopped talking to me. She stopped talking to me. Hello! Yo, we don't like talk to you because you take everything for joke. The woman stopped talking to me. The woman stopped vex. The woman dry up. The woman swear say me da go bust. The woman thinks say me da go run away. The woman swear say me da go be the biggest thing. The woman dry up in her eye. The woman feel that weird. The woman come like she da got dead. And I never know say that trouble the woman's soul. I never know. I never have no. Bestie, I tell you the truth. I never know say the woman have me up. Me gonna tell you how me find out say the woman have me up. Me then I'm at house one night. And me I watch TV. And on stage, come on. And on stage, I let me tell pani woman. I never on stage. May try remember if I never on stage. I never on stage. A TVJ. The other interview. It was ER. I never on stage. An entertainment report. Come on. See the people them know, man. See the blood clad people them remember, man. Look at God. What Jesus over here, so? ER.
You know, me gonna lick any amount.
ER. Me never remember. Me no know nothing now. ER me a watch. With Anthony Miller. And me hear Anthony Miller say, remember say no? There is a recorded thing in the Star where Lady Saw say, I am the next queen of the dance hall. Cause no found to talk about say, a Spice crown herself. But you don't know why problem. She was happy for me to be the queen of dance hall. She was happy for me to be the next queen of the dance hall after her. But she never want me get too big. She never knows me that go get so big. She think me that go stay small for the rest of my life and catch up her yard. And that's the problem. You ever hear them say, your friend wants to see you do good but never better than them? You ever hear that saying there? I say go. So all along, the lady I say me bad. Uno can go on YouTube go look for show. Me and her work a show. If me ever go the show go work better than her, dog, me miss up at the next morning. Me have to perform light. Me have to perform very light. You think me coming she can't go on bad? You must be crazy. Eh? You must be crazy. Me have to perform very light. Me can't go too hard because if me ever go too hard and go like me go harder than her and she wake up the next morning and people go say, Spice take a show me dead. She vex. Macadamia, where you there? Remember me not too like you, you know. But everything Macadamia say on her life a true the girl attack. Me can't tell you say a true the girl attack. Me never heard me say Maca chat some fuckery in a dance hall. I don't know where the girl sleep. Me don't know if Jesus wake up a girl and say, come and sprinkle something on her and say, come talk. I never see Maca Diamond talk so. From the day I know that girl and talk so much truth, from she born out her mother's womb. Everything when Maca Diamond talk, 99% type, because she claims say, we will be her. Me don't know about that. Everybody a wobia, everybody a wobia. She you no love wobia, you no love talk about wobia, everybody a wobia, this and wobia that. I never hear Maca talk so much truth. See, she should go and people that come out here and she talk about, and they're telling lies on me, and I don't know what to move, you dirty blood clot. Your bad mind. Your heart block. You're a Jezebel. You don't like to see nobody prosper. Let me say, me and your friend for 10 years and all along you depend. Yeah, man. She's going to be the next queen of the dance hall. But when we take it back now, when you see me around with you have a problem. You can't stay comfortably in your house. I mean, you have a problem with not another soul. You don't have a problem with nobody else. And me, you eat. And me, you act for. And me, she ate long time. $19.99, let me go down in night. Because remember, I can't stay here too long. You know so long I have me on your talk. But like I said, them are things where I never talked before, but now I talk, I want to know, clear the air and get it over with. So when you see, them come with a vengeance for me. And if you don't ever hear me, answer or reply, do not feel away. Because I'm ready for them. I'm tired of them. Them fight me long years ago. When she left out a dance hall, before the woman left peaceful, with a pure heart and a clean mind, after earning and getting so much out of the business, if you see somebody else I come eat to, you know what she say? She cuss me and trace me and say me I run her out a dance hall and make people turn against me. The amount of hate when me receive in a Jamaica because of that woman. Hey, mighty Jesus. If you ever see nobody I say, me not like spice, ask them why. Just ask them why, because they probably don't have a reason. But because of the love that woman had, because of how we did love her, me now say uno, because I did love her too. Because of how we did love her, she used it. And take up one big dirty pan of water and throw it over upon me so. And then she dig one big deep hole and push me in the hole. And take her foot and cover up the dirt. But she never knew I was a seed and that I would grow. And now that I'm growing, all when she in a church and she see the tree I grow, she can't feel good to see the fruits I bear off of the tree. She want to chop it down from in a church. But I tell you from I start this live and I go and end it this way. If she ever do a song and me feel like she a throw it off of me, I go and lim up her dirty blood clot. Because bad mind and something where you feel born with. And bad mind and something where you feel have. Me never trouble her. So nobody no call me and tell me say me fit done. Bounty killer! Rodney Price! You make the woman hate me. I just the truth, if you talk it. $19.99 when I met Bounty Killer. Bounty look at me, I don't know what he saw. I don't know what he saw. I swear to God. If somebody tell me, say, yes, some would have reached me, I wouldn't know. 1999, when I met Bounty Killer, he started to show me so much love. I have done millions of interviews. Big up my album 10. Make sure you stream my album same way. 10 out 10 is nominated for your Grammy. You want to stream the album. Stream it, stream it, stream it. The first song on my album, I paid homage to people who helped me along the way, who supported me, who, stop and lend a helping arm. Ladies, that name never in there. You know, shame. Your name never in there. Me call Bounty Killer, me call Ninja Man, me call Baby Sham, me call Vibes Cartel, me call Shaggy. Who else me call? The one woman. Couldn't call your name. You couldn't call your name. Give me a S, S, S. Give me a P, P, P. Give me a I, I. Give me a C to the E. Hey! I mean name Grace Hamilton, a little poor girl from Old Britain used to walk big ride and know me buy van from $0 to work up a million. Same Catherine High School, me get me education. Nah lie, me got through enough sufferation. House burned down flat, I was a homeless woman. Granddad say Gracie come live at England. Bun to give me the first mic, now me and mash up sting at 16 power with Ninja Man. Gone pants, and then me meet baby Shammy Man Dave Kelly. Make me get me first 6 song member. Me is a girl no fight over man. After that enough things me can ever mention. Father Paulo Finn, he must be inspiration. He used to make me DJ like not the veteran. Give me a S, 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 give me a P, 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 give me a I, give me a C to the E. Wait, let me talk about ramping shop. The collab we put me on the world map. Cartel used to carry me in a taxi on him lap. That's why me a say Gaza until my breath stop. The album I do from 2009, so VP can't vex if me talk me mine. I couldn't call your name in it. Because you give me the more, you give me the first 8, you introduce the first 8 to me in a dance hall, and you fight me. 1999 when me meet Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer was the one who had me the first microphone. And when me DJ on the spot, if Bounty Killer remember good, I clash me and them up there clash. Power Man was on the stage. Bounty was on the stage. Them time they are Bounty Killer. And when Bounty said, hey, wow, clear the way. And people are run up and down. You think me as a little girl, me are 14 years old and nervous. And me stand up and DJ. And the man look at me, me don't know what the man say. The man say, you are going to come take over from Lady Sir, but me going to tell you how it go, why he make she hate me. Bounty Killer invite me to come and it's the party. He might not remember, you know. Because remember, it is important for me to remember because it was happening in my life. So if him forget, me nah forget. Because these were highlights of my career. These are highlights of my career when me no forget. Bounty Killer invite me at It's the I don't follow the arrow. At It's the party. It's the party. And when Bounty invite me to come at It's the party, me don't have clothes or shoes. I first me I tell them something here. The man tell me what time to come. Because remember me is a young artist. He meet me over Britain and me and him clash pan stage with Power Man and whole heap and we and the man rate me. Him the fuck what I'm afraid to. The man say run the price of a good hood. The man say run the price, give her a pizza. A long time still that, so it's a long time story. So Claudia, no matter feel no way. This is 1999. And the man said me if you come and it's the party. The man give me a time to come and it's the party, you know. But me reach late. Cause me have to walk from Britain. Me walk out from Britain to out a big road. And me walk from out a big road go out a Nago Z. Mighty God of Daniel, God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, God of... Hey, the walk. And when me reach It's the party, me reach late. And when me reach It's the party, I'm Bounty say, huh? Me tell us if you come, 1 o'clock, you know, Bounty have a different way. Almighty God, we have to find something, we have to find something. Oh my God, this man paved the way for so much of us. And when Bounty say, me tell us if you come, 1 o'clock, you just a reach, and the young artists them perform already. And me stand up there, and me decide, say, me nah go home, and me nah move, cause me want work. Me reach late. And when we reach late now, ladies come. Ladies come. Remember me a little girl. And me excited. Me the backstage, you know, remember Bounty Killer invite me, you know, and a be a star, me I see. And me say ladies come and me glad now. Them time the bounty killer used to call me on stage, Ninja Man used to call me on stage, because a little girl, me wissy, me bad. And I go so bam no one see the lady, and me I say, hey, lady saw there. And remember me tell her say, bounty killer go make the mistake. And bounty killer go look on the woman and say, lady saw, the little girl, yeah, she named Spice. And me I tell her she bad, she wassy, she remind me of you. And she come take over from your bumbo clot. I will tell the man for see so. The man never know where my do. The man never know where my do. So in a film head when them things say no, the woman ever see this young girl with talented, will remind she of she, and she go take me up and pave me and curve me and say, come little girl. She never do it. Corrupt. Black. Dirty. Jezebel. Demon. Bad mind man. The woman hate me. The woman hate me look like a butty. The woman hate me like Kaiser. When I never big hair, when the man go to Lady Saw, when she perform, because remember I know me come late, so my time gone now. When the man go to Lady Saw and say, call up Spice, because remember Bunty just introduce her to me, you know. It look like she probably that hear about me long time, because when me, hey, me see some of this me, you know, and you see anyhow, when you make all Spice come back, when you get fuck. Me I want you know. Me I tell you from now. Any owner make all Spice where you was so hungry, come back, uno get fuck. Uno better take comfortable Spice. Uno bet me I want you know. Uno better stay with comfortable Spice. Because if me go back to when me hungry, if me go back to back in the days, uno get fuck. So they look like say the woman hear about me long time. Cause me used to bust up stage show. Everywhere me go, Ninja call me up, Bunty call me up. When Bunty still are about me and the woman hate me, you know. The man go to her, hey, the man, call up Spice, cause she dey on the stage, you know. Call up Spice. Cause, you know me used to get me look a call up. Me not no name for myself yet. Me young. Hear the woman on the mic, a ball the whole night, you see. Hear the woman. Call up who? Spice? Make Spice go and stay in a rice. You dirty blood clot, you think me forget? Remember, me no forget. Remember everything because it happened to me. Make Spice go and stay in a rice. I want somebody find the video, you see? I want somebody go dig up 1999 video when you say it. You say it. And don't bother come talk about Richie Spice, brother. Because remember, I never chat to you after that. Me go into the world. It's just so long me there for you talk and I talk too, no? Alright. The woman say make Spice go and stay in a rice. And me not tell her no line, bestie. I feel it to me heart. After me walk so far, hungry that kill me, my shoes bottom would have pop off. Me couldn't even find clothes to go up on the show. And me look forward. The woman say, make Spice go and stay in a rice. And from that, I don't chat to her. I don't chat to her because some stay. Me don't chat to you. Me not in you, me don't chat to you. Me don't chat to her. I'm vexed and I feel away. I start write bass song. You never know, because I go diss her up. Because them that time there, me I turn on every song and I clash everybody. Lexus have a song, girl you better can cook. Think you there you feel your pretty look. I just turn on the song and say, man you better can joke. Think you there you feel your pretty look. You want live in a me hole and know you can joke. Eh? Backshot, blood clot. Look at all Spice did bad. I start write Bill Hughes for her. Because my sister say that woman you going to be a problem. And you know what the woman do? Two show me and her go, and I walk past her, and I go up on the stage and bust up. She never feel good. You know when me see her now? Me there on a one studio. What the man named me, him soul rest in peace. Me don't remember him name. Me there around one studio and me see her. Them the time they know, me I get look a call up round in a Kingston, I get look a call up in a Jamaica. Spice bad, Spice I go this and Spice I go that. So every time I go studio, you know the man them rate me cause me little and me young and me bad. You come talk about people I have to strip clothes. I have to strip off clothes. Man no talent. Lady, come go up and go from there. I go to studio, I see the whole heap of man, I see the whole of the man, them, and the man them a boom off my fist and me I yell up everybody and I see her in the studio and I just look on her and cut me and walk past her, I don't call her. She shame like dog, she feel away, she come in the studio. Era, them time the Earlton was my manager. Is Earlton or Everyday? Because I used to have two old manager back in the day, you know. But Earlton, me no remember. Era come now, she feel away because she see me talk to the whole of the man artists, them and everybody a big me up, you know. Me never get to really talk to you. You have a problem. You have a problem. Me offend you or no? She said me never get to talk to you. Me don't remember what her exact words. Cause a long time. Me tell you about this about 20 years ago. And me just say, yeah, me have a problem because when Bounty Killer did introduce it to me when me go at It's the Party, and Bounty tell us say you must call me up. Not Bounty, the man tell us say you must call up Spice. You talk about make Spice stay in a rice. Me never like it and me feel away and me hurt by it. So that's why me not talk to you. See when me tell her. Little girl. Hear her. Oh God. No. It's not so it go. Mighty Jesus. You see how people can get in a trouble. It's never you me a talking on. He's not Richie Spice. What Richie Spice brother name? Cause she and him used to fuck, so she think of him me a talk. What Richie Spice brother name? Mikey Spice. Hear her. Oh God, oh Lord. It's never so it go. Little girl is, you know, Mikey Spice. Make me think of Mikey Spice. Mikey Spice never up on the show. Move your dirty blood clot, your bad-minded witch of your wicked demonic serpent, you. Mikey Spice never there on the show. Oh Lord, I think it was Mikey Spice. Them I tell the man never say Mikey Spice. The man says Spice. I'm going from there. And that was the day where I made my mistake with that woman. Me make she apologize to me and then she friend me. And she friend me and she use me and she hold down me blood clot. You know, a friend for 10 years. And I beg her every year to do a song with me. A dirty, demonic, Satan, bad mind woman, you. Go from the boy you're in a church. You can't preach to me. You cannot preach to me. Oh, you're a minister. Your heart heavy. You better call the whole of the Christian people them and tell them to come pray for you. You better go down by your knee. You better go up and fasting. You better repent. Because you're not of God and you know you're not of God. You know, see you go to church and you still have problem. The pastor will run you out. You call me name for dirty woman that come talk about love. I don't want no love from you. If you was the only person left on the face of this earth and God come and God say, I want somebody if he say them love you, I feel you live, I rather die. Because the love where you go say you love me, I know it's not real and it's not natural and it's not pure. So go give them your love. I don't need it. Until I can look and see the pureness in you. Until I can look and see that Marian Hall is genuine. And she's really a woman of God. That is the day when I will say yes. But until then, you're a Jezebel. Your bad mind and the argument done. You so long me stay upon the live you talk. Because next time I won't be talking. You wait for your song. Dance all nice again. You turn back now. You look like you're unhappy. You're not getting the good cocky in a church. You want to come back in a dance hall. You want to skin out. You don't know if you skin out. You see the whole way I do with body and what the people them having them veneer. And you know like your mash mouth and you want to fix it. You're miserably. You don't know how if you come back. Dance hall love you. That can't change. Come back and just done. You don't hear Maka say come back. Maka Diamond tell you the truth. Just come back and done. Stop beat round the bush and a grow on the car and a go like you try to save nobody. And you throw a word for a woman and a drag down woman in a dance hall. He's a wicked witch. We don't know, you know. A 1 hour me go now. I have nothing more to say. Me post it in a Star 2015 say the woman bad mind and she come prove it to for herself. So let us wait on the song. But any day on the ear say, me answer, don't vex. Cause I take it all of the years and I take it light. I will not take nothing light. And anybody else who are rumble and a fumble and a talk and down a blood clot vice if you're not bad, call the S half of my name. Because me tired of you. Me tired for not trouble me. Me tired for not pick on me. Me tired for everything on me. Me tired for every time you wake up no care how happy. You no come with no sadness or no sorrow. You no call me name and mix me up in a bangarang. You no wicked. Eh? When me did a suffer, when me did hungry, nobody now call me name. And true little light a sprinkle over me head now. Spice, spice, spice. Uno pick pa me, uno live pa me. You used to live at your house, so now I have houses. It's okay. You give uno 1 hour, I know. Not staying here with uno for the whole time. Uno tell me no fi answer, I fi answer. Because I just know a years what a hatred she travel with for me. And if you come back, come answer, feel like you can call me name and tell no next life for me, I will be coming back with receipt because now go so. And one time when you plant and dig hole for me and cover me up. Me nah sit down, me don't want nobody tell me, you're the bigger one, I'm not big. Don't tell them that already. When me get ramping shop with Vibes Cartel, she hunt down Cartel and want to sing with you. Go from there, Cartel do not sing with you. Bad mind, man. You too bad mind. You too bad mind. Oh, you talk about me carry bed. You carry bed that played out. You follow fashion. Where you get your name from, dirty woman? Your name Lady Star. You get that name from Tenor